Musta kayo? Hi Sam, belated. Tinatawag mo ko bawat gabi. Have an amazing day po. Wishing you the best po. You know. Errands today. Mass. Dinner, mass. Dinner tuloy. Mass, lunch, tennis. Yun lang naman so far. Hello guys. Have a very happy Sunday to all of you. Oh my gosh. Huh? I saw you last night as in nahiya talaga. Where? Talaga ba? Huh? Really? Try ko nga check profile mo kung familiar ka. Kasi parang may group of people medyo nakatingin sa akin. I think they were 4 or 5. I know, 3 or 4 3 or 4 ba? Ganun. So, yun. Hindi ko lang sure. That was you. Si Lily, friend ko lang yun. Ikaw naman. Sige nga, what was I wearing yesterday? Hindi guys, kaya rin naman kasi ako hindi guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, mag-follow na. Kaya rin kasi ako hindi makatingin mabuti. Let's say if you pass by me. And then sometimes I feel like may mga taong I feel like fan, nakatingin sa akin. I smile naman at them, pero I don't look at them for so long. Tapos ayaw naman sabihin, you wanna have a picture? Parang weird diba? Sabihin pa ng tao sa akin, nakikita lang kita pero di ako fan. Diba? Ako pa napahiya. So, kailangan kayo talaga yung lumapit sa akin, guys. Kasi ayoko magmukhang mayabang or feel. Pero yun nga, if I'm eating and then you just approach me and say like, hi, I'm sorry, whatever, hi. Guys, I'll never say no naman eh. Trust me. Nasasad nga ako pag may mga nagko-comment, nakita na kita pero hindi ako nagpa-picture. Parang hindi ba ako ganun kanais-nais na you guys would wanna take a picture with me? Nasa guidance account, oo, lagi ako nasa guidance office. Never for bad things naman, pero yun, lagi daw masyadong makulit, nahirapan na daw yung mga teachers, ang daldal ko daw, kulit-kulit ko daw, blah blah blah. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. And napapagalitan ako for the weirdest reasons talaga. Again, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, mag-follow na. Don't forget to follow, please. Don't forget to follow. Thank you. Favorite, wala guys, hindi ako F1. Fave F1 team, wala akong alam sa F1 guys. Shuri Shuri for not knowing any F1. Shuri, hindi po ako ano sa F1. Try mo naman badminton. Hindi pa nga eh. Pero may crush ako. Joke lang. Lahat nilang crush yan, no? Guys. Hindi naman ako low-bat, guys. Stress lang. Kasi wala pa rin yung video namin. Laging clutch eh. Pero yun nga. I don't know na. So, syempre stress ako. Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Nag-almusal ka na mamaya na, guys. Fasting ako. One day, fasting ako for 49 hours. Joke lang. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Don't forget to follow. Will I be seeing Lau, Daniel Lau today? Hindi ko pa nga sure eh. Baka. Tennis shoes ko. Nike. May Nike ako and may Asics ako. And may On na niregalo sa akin. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. 16 hours na. Yung fasting. Joke lang yung 48, guys. Grabe naman kayo sa akin. Hindi naman ito yung suit ko kahapon eh. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow, please follow. Zumba instructor ka po talaga. Hindi po. Hala. Hindi ko na alam eh. Hindi ko na nasubaybayan si Dora eh. Yeah, nagpapalit ako. Pero hindi naman sobrang daming damit ko. Hindi naman ako scholar. Biceps and current watch, my go-to is Grand Seiko. Yun yung watch ko for the last 5-6 years of my life. Nakita mo na rin ba ako, Maita? No, friend lang po. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, mag-follow na, please. Thank you for following. Do you drink warm water in the morning? No, but I think a lot of people do that. Please. Of course, I always see myself serving the Filipino people, but I just want to make sure na, if every man pumasok ako, I have to be well-equipped or ready for, everything. So, yun. Yes. By the way, your dad is a good confidence. Thank you. Sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow, please follow. Block na nga natin. So, si Omni. Walang kwenta eh. Bye, Omni. Oh, shucks. Hindi ko pa natapos. Pero parang 15-20 minutes na lang yung K-pop Hunters eh. Edits my vlogs, TJ. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, mag-follow na kayo. O ano pa ba hinihintay nyo? Ano pa ba hinihintay nyo? May vlog later. Yes, may vlog po. Dapat nagpa-picture ka na. Ba't di ka nagpa-picture? Grabe ka sa akin. Why? Why? Thank you. Thank you po. Ulit, sa mga hindi pa po nagpa-follow sa akin, follow. Tuwang-tuwa nga ako na see people like yung mga tipong nakikita ko lang sa live ko tapos lumabas tayo. How do I describe it? Lumabas tayo sa live and nagkita tayo in person. Saya kaya, guys. So don't hesitate. Mag-hi na kayo. Say hello, good evening, good morning, and I love you. Wala. Dito naman yung friend namin. Yes. Coming soon, guys. Magpa-plan tayo ng meet and greet. Hopefully, lahat kayo makapunta. Pero yun nga, it's not naman the last. I feel like for Tim and Tom, 100k and then siguro mga 250, 500k or something. Nope, hindi ko po girlfriend. Just friend. Si Lily po yun, yung kasama ko. Lily and Ralph. Tatlo kami, diba, nung nakita mo? Siyempre, maaga tayo lagi. Kampay. Ka-energy mo si Will Dasovich. Yes, medyo idol ko po si Will Dasovich. Yes. Hello everyone. Guys, sa mga hindi ba nag-follow, please follow. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, yan. Bumibilis yung mga follows natin ngayon. At this very moment. May vlog later, Tommy. Yes po. Always Sunday na po. Thank you. Please send. Hi, don't forget to follow. Hello. Sometimes I feel like pagka nagla-live ako, I have to say something controversial para dumami yung views. It's always been like that here in this live. Yun. Hindi, para sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, mag-follow na. Tama, chika ka na. Okay, so may kukwento akong experience with a celebrity, pero hindi ko disclose kung ano yung name niya. So yung celebrity na to, sikat siya, nakikita ko siya sa TV. Tapos, yung may nangyari kasi sa amin. So this celebrity, sobrang like, often ko siya nakikita. And then, as in, pag nakikita ko siya, parang, tingnan yun, tumaas yung views, oh. Tinesting ko lang, tumaas yung views. Grabe naman to. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Ibe-bait ko yung mga tao. Hindi, pero generally speaking, ako kasi, madami akong na-meet na mga celebrity. May mga mababait, don't get me wrong. Pero meron rin talagang mga celebrity na alam mo yung pagkadating nila sa table, ayaw naman mag-judge, hindi mga judgmental na tao, pero parang pagkadating nila sa table, alam mo yung aura nila, yung feel nila, parang dapat star of the show ako. Yung parang tipong, nagpapaka-nonchalant sila, pero at the same time, parang tipong, alam ko lahat ng tao nakatingin sa akin, alam ko lahat ng tao na, alam mo yun, kilala kung sino ako. Diba? So, yun. Pero madami ring mababait, don't get me wrong. Madami ring, tawag dito, humble lang, ganun. Pagkakasama ka, hindi pinapa-feel sa'yo yung gano'n sila kalaki. But to be fair naman, alam ko naman lalo na pag sikat ka na, mahirap naman hindi pa feel sa tao na you're someone eh. Kasi wala eh, ganun na yung, hindi naman sa ganun na yung aura mo, pero that's how people see you na eh. Kasi sikat ka nga, public figure ka na nga eh. But I think, kayang-kaya naman to do it in such a way na, alam mo yun, diba? Chill ka lang. Hindi naman kailangan. Si Mikey, mabait, for example. Sobrang bait si Mikey. Wala akong masabi about Mikey. Very nice person, humble, chill, walang ka-arte-arte, kahit sobrang sikat na niya. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Would you prefer to date? Of course, Natasha's super nice. Super nice, super kalog. And despite her being, I'd say, she's showbiz royalty, diba? Basically. Si Ramon Ang po, idol ko po yun. Kung may isang tao na idol ko pa aside from my father, it's Ramon Ang, guys. Sobrang galing po ni Boss RSA, yung mga ginagawa niya for the Philippines. Ang galing niya as a philanthropist, as a businessman, everything. Idol ko po si Boss RSA. And mas naging idol ko pa lalo nung naging ka-close ko si Jake. Kasi kitang-kita sa mga anak niya kung... I think, as I mature, makikita mo kung paano yung isang parent based on how the child was raised eh. So, syempre, pag nakikita nyo kasi si Jake, guys, parang you'd be like, baka iba sa inyo parang overwhelmed kasi, he's like, pogi na mayaman na, pogi na, yun, anak ni RSA, mayaman, all that looks so formal. But when you meet him, he's one of the nicest people talaga. He's very, very sobrang bait niya. As in, sobrang bait niya tsaka sobrang laki ng puso ni Jake. Yun lang masasabi ko. Like, I don't think people talk about it because hindi rin naman niya pinapaalam. Kasi it's not like, alam mo yun, it's not like he's trying to be a public figure. It's not like he's a politician who's gonna enter politics or something like that. Pero, sobrang bait niyang tao, guys. Always willing to help. Friend, hindi friend, basta less fortunate, laging willing to help yun. Sobrang bait talaga ng tao si Jake. At saka pa guys, ayoko nakikipagkaibigan sa mga kupal guys. Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Thank you so much. Madami kasi ngayon. Sino yung celebrity nakakemik? Huwag na guys. Mag-viral pa ako for the wrong reasons. Comment na lang kayo and then I'll say if may nakakuha sa comment. I'll just say if like na-mention sa comment. I won't point who. Girl or guy. Hindi ko sasabihin kung ano yung ano. Hindi ko sasabihin kung girl or guy. Comment lang kayo. So far, wala pa. Ba't lahat girl? Wala pa rin. Initial, sobrang halata na nun, guys. Wala pa rin. Sige, para ano, somewhere within my age range. Donnie medyo close pero no. No, not Donnie. Medyo close. Somewhere there. I mean close in terms of like siguro yung age, pagkasikat ganun. But hindi na may mention, hindi ko gets. Hindi ba siya nag-give off ng vibe na ganun? Weird ah. Wala makaguess. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow. He lang. Sige yun, he. It's a he. Ang tagal. It's a guy. Wala talaga. Wala. No, ang bait-bait ni Julian Estrada, guys. Sobrang bait ni Julian Estrada. Plus friend ko yun since before. Wala makaguess sa inyo, guys. Nag-PBB, medyo. Yun na yung last, ko. Paano hindi nyo mag-guess? Natatawa ako, guys. Hindi, wala talaga. Wala nakakag-guess. Meron na. May nakakuha. Yun lang. That's all I'm gonna say. May nakakuha na Hindi ko na sasabihin sino. Basta may nakakuha na. Bahala na. Basta may nag-mention na. Check nyo na lang yung comments. Tapos guess nyo na lang sino yung may...
Come on,
wait, I have to check my...
Let's go. Look at them. They're looking away. It's all awkward, bro. Okay,
Let's go. I'm not gonna confirm, guys. Grabe kayo.
Relationship advice, if you know, you know.
That's your relationship advice.
Relationship advice? Parang wag na, kasi nakakasira lang siya.
We're more, you know, ready to watch Black Eyed Peas.
I'm gonna watch lang the vlog.
I love you, bro! I know, me too, bro.
I'm just watching.
Peach! Bye-bye, Peach. See you. We're back here.
Kailangan ko lang panoorin tong vlog namin.
Here, Castle Laude. We're gonna shoot some content with Tim. Yeah, let's get Tim, guys. Gosh, ang ganda.
Hi!
Ang ganda. Ikaw makikita ko pagkapasok si Ate Lotlo.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Ang ganda ni Ate
Don't forget to follow, guys.
Si Sir Tommy.
Hi, Ate Lotlo.
Congratulations, sir. You have made a lot of followers now.
Ayun, no? Wala.
Yeah.
Ate Lotlo, magda-date pa tayo. TikTok
Yun
tayo.
lang masasabi ko, guys. Basta yun, nakikita ko siya lagi. And then, sobrang
Galing, Ate.
Sobrang
I
pangit
see
na
you.
ba?
I missed you.
I miss you too.
I missed you, Ate. Bye-bye.
Your vlog.
Yes, like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment.
Yun, no? Bye, Ate. Oh, it's a beautiful day. What are we gonna do today? My idol, Ninang Small.
Hello, Ina anak. You're here, anak. Where are you going?
Gonna shoot some content, Nina.
And you will watch Black Eyed Peas.
Why serious?
Oh
I'm
my
watching
gosh, guys,
it.
support my inaanak and Santi.
Guys, don't forget to follow.
Yes.
Subscribe, ah.
Ninang, you're blooming again, Nina. Always so beautiful.
I believe. I
Really,
still
Nina?
believe you talaga.
Okay.
So, okay, bye guys, and
Bye.
bye. Do a nice content.
Bye. Thank you, Ninang. See you.
Support us, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so
Don't
much.
forget to
guys.
follow, guys.
Bye.
Bye, 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 Ninang. Bye.
Bro, remember you lost a bet?
Yeah, bro. Wait, what's up?
Did you bring it?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do I do with it?
Tommy brought the Thor backpack.
Okay, tapos. What
You're gonna cross-dress, bro. You're gonna make you cross-dress in the middle of people.
As Dora the Explorer, bro.
Don't forget to follow, guys.
Kompleto to.
Oh my God.
So what we have here is orange shorts. You're gonna wear this in BGC, ah?
Oh, bro.
Bro, you completed the Dora.
Don't forget to follow.
Kompleto.
Don't tell me this is a freaking wig.
You're wearing a wig, bro. I got this from Lot Lot.
I kept saying, why do I need a Dora backpack? It took me so long to look for a Dora backpack. Ito lang pala.
You're not gonna dress up wearing a dress or a skirt naman, diba?
Bro, I'd rather
Make it
not.
fun. So guys, for context, he lost a bet in our PBA vlog. I made the decision.
Ano ba
to make
gusto
it
nyo
cross-dress,
malaman,
no?
guys?
As a punishment for
Oh, Lord.
Follow
who loses.
muna.
So,
At siya'y lalabas ko lahat ng sekreto na alam ko sa showbiz.
like that. So guys,
Joke lang.
Tommy
Baka
is
magbawian
setting
eh.
up,
Labas
store
yun nila yung sekreto ko.
Bro,
Huwag
come
na.
on, give me some options naman. You're telling me the whole time I'm in BGC, I'm gonna be dressed up as Dora?
Yeah.
No one's gonna take us serious, bro.
for 3 hours lang yan, bro.
Bro, after 3 hours, no way. Come on, give me some options, bro. Please.
1 hour.
30 minutes, please.
Fine, 30 minutes.
Okay.
But
Ang
you have to
lala
walk
ko,
around
ang
BGC
lala
like
ng
that.
itsura ko sa Dora,
30 minutes.
guys.
30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi ka nais-nais.
Okay.
You have to do a TikTok.
What?
That's the deal. Pwede go viral. Diba? It's a win-win situation.
Win-win. Tama naman. Okay,
Win-win
fine.
situation. Pare, you should have brought an outfit for me. I'll be your Diego, bro.
Wow. No, bro, they're cousins. That's intense.
Brother, Cousins pala sila. Yung Marlon, yung wig ni Tommy, may extra rin ako, ah. Suotin mo.
Amin sa'yo. Oh, God.
So this is Dora the Explorer.
Hi, Winnie. Don't forget to follow,
Okay,
guys.
Tommy, I feel bad for you. I would have given you 15 minutes, but we shook hands na eh.
Bro. Okay. Babawi ako kay Tim, guys.
Okay,
I'm
bawi
gonna
ka.
make sure he's gonna lose it there.
But no cross-dressing, ah. That's my idea.
Okay.
Don't forget to follow.
Dora.
Live reaction.
Everyone, vámonos.
Bro, this is so bad. They don't look yum delicious.
Delicioso! Can you say delicioso?
Don't forget to follow, guys.
Si Dora.
Tommy,
Yo.
I chose your TikTok trend na.
Okay.
I love you guys. Don't forget to follow.
Okay, you know the Dora. So that
Okay,
trend,
okay,
that
wait, yeah.
Dora.
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 Okay.
Okay, game ka.
Game.
Okay, game.
Do it. 30 minutes, ha? I'll be
30
walking
minutes.
around in this 30 minutes.
High Street.
Oh, Lord. Okay.
Di niya kaya yan.
Okay, this is the 4 places there.
Let's find people to interview.
What's wrong with me, baby?
Don't call me baby.
Don't you think I'm perfect just the way I am? 1 year in Sawadika, Thailand. But not in Thailand.
Scary. It looks so disturbing.
In kayo.
Kuya Marlon, can you make me sama?
Sure.
Ayaw kong may date.
Don't forget to follow. Spoiler alert.
Mukhang ganito.
Pwede niyo makita yung ano, diba? You can only hear it.
Our fans outside
You can
might
only
think
hear
I'm
it, guys.
cheating.
You can't ano naman. You can't really...
Bro,
know what's
how would you
happening.
feel naman? I'm single, right?
Oh.
So all the girls that are potential girlfriends or the ones for me are gonna see me like this. What do you think they'll think, bro?
Sorry, should I
Oh,
stop?
bro.
I don't think it's funny.
Everything about you.
Plus points.
This is funny.
At least, you're game to anything.
Panira ng araw nito.
Sorry, am I really?
Okay, back pa to. I'm the man.
Okay,
I'm
fine,
the man.
fine,
You can
fine.
actually put some stuff-
I have to watch it kasi guys. I can't find my earphones. Wait lang. Fine, wait. I'll find my earphones. Where are my earphones? Sige, I'll go nga muna. I'll have to go first. Okay, guys? I'll try to come back before, I'll watch this muna because I need to watch if may kailangan i-edit. So, yun, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Don't forget to follow. I don't know how to watch it eh. Pero sige, I'll try to go back later. Bye-bye.